Start by routing out the required space for the flexible neon cover. Next, lay your angle bendable LED strip into the routed area. For this, we recommend our sidewinder LED strip range. Then simply push in your flexible silicone cover over the LED strip, ensuring the neon is pushed firmly into place. The rubber grips on the side will create a secure fit. For projects with curves or angled runs, our sidewinder angle bendable LED strip is the perfect partner to these flexible silicone covers. We have a wide range of sidewinder strips available to suit your installation requirements. Route out your required space, then screw down our aluminium heatsink profile into the routed out area. This will be required for higher powered LED strips to dissipate the heat. Stick your LED strip down directly onto the heatsink profile. Push in the flexible silicone cover over the LED strip. Make sure the neon cover is completely pushed in for a clean finish.